Today we're going to talk about a very exciting topic that is the future of tech careers. As technology advances, there's a tremendous need for cybersecurity professionals. How do you break into this field if you don't have any experience and are unsure where to start? Well, let me show you and give you a few resources and a small guide to help you get started. I've been working with students who've been looking for getting a start in cybersecurity for the past 7 to 8 years. Many of these students are coming from a variety of other IT fields or take advantage of the opportunity of the tremendous new roles that cybersecurity is bringing to the IT field. It's important that with any career choice like cybersecurity, you're going to bring these other skills that you have from other experiences into this new opportunity. So always give yourself credit for any additional IT or technology skills as you begin looking into a new career. These skills may and see how these skills may potentially help you transition, or do you have new skills which can translate to cybersecurity? What I want to give you in this video is a little bit of a pathway to help you get started, get you the information to help you start to do your own research around certification and career paths in cybersecurity. The first step you're going to want to take is just to get some basic information around what the cybersecurity field looks like in terms of roles, skills, certifications, and trends which are going to impact the field. Why do you want to work in cybersecurity? What are the opportunities related to working in cybersecurity? And where do you see that your skill set or the skill set you want to acquire will benefit your opportunity to get a position in this field? Do you have background experience in networking, IT support, understanding of issues like malware, phishing, protecting a network, and understanding how to troubleshoot a wide variety of network issues and device issues when encountering cybersecurity? Getting a background in cybersecurity protocols, networks, and troubleshooting methodologies is going to be incredibly helpful to you. I want to talk a little bit about the benefits of certifications in this field as well. Certifications can definitely boost your resume, your morale, and overall your understanding of cybersecurity concepts and help prepare you for a position. They're also going to make you aware of some of the first level roles related to cybersecurity and what will you need to know to get your foot in the door. Where I would start is the CompTIA Security Plus certification. This is a widely known certification based on network security and cybersecurity. It covers a wide variety of concepts and skills that's going to help prepare you. The areas are network security, compliance, and operational procedures for enhanced security. It's a beginner-friendly certification tiered towards this area of the workforce. And if you don't feel ready for this, also you can consider the A+ certification from CompTIA. And to just give you an idea of the few of the certifications available in this field for you to start doing some research, please consider, in addition to the CompTIA Security Plus certification, the EC Council Certified Ethical Hacker certification, the ISC Certified Information Systems Security Professional. Researching those certifications is a great place for you to start and understand which tier is best for you that relates to your current skill levels and understanding of the concepts of cybersecurity. The other area that often goes spoken about and underutilized related to cybersecurity is hands-on experience that you give yourself, maybe in a lab you build at home. There are a wide range of projects and hands-on building projects that you can do on your own to help enhance your hands-on experience that you can speak to during an interview or other opportunity to share your knowledge. You can participate in capture the flag challenges, and websites like Hack the Box or TryHackMe can offer hands-on experience in a safe environment. And when I mean safe, you need to start also understanding the balance between working in safe environments and what is ethical and unethical in terms of hacking and your understanding of cybersecurity. So to help build your experience, consider Hack the Box, TryHackMe, or OWASP Juice Shop, which is an intentionally vulnerable web application to help train in cybersecurity skills. Some of the biggest benefits towards your career is going to be the acquisitions of these certifications, your hands-on experience, and developing confidence in your ability to understand cybersecurity concepts and skills and how they will relate to potential jobs. It's very important that as you begin to develop your skills, you also take advantage of networking opportunities and skills to identify mentors and others who can help support your career, whether it's through just answering questions suggestions, or helping you better understand the types of roles and the field of cybersecurity in a broader sense. You can do this through community forums or local meetups. This can help provide valuable incentives towards learning more and connections that can help you get your foot in the door with cybersecurity. Consider attending conferences to learn more about vendors and presentations made on the topic of cybersecurity that could be very influential in helping you understand the trends of the field and ultimately continue to expand your professional network. 3 potentially beneficial communities that you can consider is the OWASP community. This is the Open Web Security Application Project community, the InfraGard security, which is a collaboration between the private sector and the FBI, which is a collaboration between the FBI and the private sector for sharing related to cybersecurity concerns. And another to consider is the ISC2 chapter program. And this is a local chapter for networking and sharing knowledge related to cybersecurity. Now I'd like to get into some of the common challenges related to getting started with cybersecurity. The first one is information overload. When you first start doing research on cybersecurity, you're going to hear a lot of different information on certifications, knowledge, backgrounds, concepts, education paths, career paths, and roles. It can all become a little overwhelming at times. The first thing you need to do is just begin to break it down around your very first steps that you need to take. Is it going to be that you're just going to do some initial research, start to identify maybe the best certification for you? Keep your steps simple and set short and long-term goals. And you can also connect with Digital Futures Education around assisting with these long-term goals related to cybersecurity. You can take a course to help you prepare to make a choice for a certificate, or we can help you prepare with the skills themselves. Don't hesitate to reach out and ask. So the first thing is focus on one area at a time. It's a broad field, so it may take you time to kind of get a handle on all the types of topics and concepts involved. Look into areas like network security, ethical hacking, or cloud security as you continue to learn more about the field. When you do your research, it's important to keep it relevant and up to date. So only look at newer, more up-to-date websites or other resources. Begin to develop an understanding of the connections between topics and how that relates to your career choice. Networking, cybersecurity, cloud computing, they all interconnect at different points. Device security, start to learn about those connections. And a huge topic is understanding the impact that AI and cloud computing are having on cybersecurity. And what does the impact do to the industry, and what types of changes can we expect? You could look to take additional courses. You could connect with Digital Futures Education for career development and coaching. It's important that you begin to develop some confidence and understanding in the field. And this can be well supported with additional networking and through identifying new resources. It's okay to feel a little intimidated with all of this new information. And believe me, no one knows everything. You're going to be on a process of continual learning all the way through your career. It's important to develop this network to help support you through all phases of your career. Develop confidence through the use of mentors, a network of others who can help support your content area development, and also understand the value of continually developing new skills as you get onto the career path of cybersecurity. That's going to help you stay relevant, keep that resume updated, and it's going to help you align yourself with the skills that continue to evolve each day. Let me give you some additional actionable advice, and it's going to be around setting clear goals with your first steps with cybersecurity. Define what you want to achieve in the field. Do you want a specific role with specific responsibilities? Do you want the flexibility to explore different roles and skills? By understanding where you want to go in terms of a direction, that's going to help you a lot in your first steps, because you're going to want to identify career opportunities aligned with where you want to go and identify jobs and specific job titles. You're going to want to focus on specific skills that are related to a job title, whether it's a penetration tester, data analyst, or a network security administrator. All of these skills compound, and you want to be able to develop your resume and background so that you can elevate with the skills. You're also going to want to develop a personal brand that reflects the understanding and knowledge you're learning. You're going to want to be able to identify the keywords, concepts that are going to help your personal brand, your resume, your LinkedIn profile, and also your cover letter, so that you can reflect to your employer or those looking for those with your skills, what types of skills you have, and have them in context with your experience. A few suggestions for this goal setting stage that I'd like to give you. First of all, you can contact Digital Futures Education to help guide you through the process. Just connect with us, join our communities, consider a course, see how we can help. But there are also other resources you can also check out. One is called Cybersecurity CyberSeek. This is an interactive tool to help explore cybersecurity careers. The next one is called NICE, Cybersecurity Workforce Framework. This will provide a comprehensive list of the roles involved with cybersecurity, so you can review them and better understand what they do and how they do it. And don't forget about resources like LinkedIn Learning. They have career development resources as well. And don't forget to visit digitalfutureseducation.com to see what we have and definitely connect with our free community to help support you. My next piece of actionable advice is to pursue certifications gradually and with intent. Start with foundational certifications like the CompTIA Security Plus to develop a base knowledge of the areas that you're going to need to learn to get that start in cybersecurity. Then take those experiences and scaffold them. Look to the Ethical Hacker certification from Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, or look at the Certified Information Security or the Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP. Those are going to give you more and more experience. Stay aware of new certifications that are coming down the road and always be reviewing job descriptions for the skills and background that are required for those specific jobs. Stay on top of the industry trends and changes. So speaking of staying on top of industry trends, that's another very important piece to this. You want to be following reputable blogs, websites, and resources to help expand your knowledge and what the industry is doing and what direction it's moving. Cybersecurity has a wide range of entry points and a wide range of roles. Even help desk technician roles are going to have a layer of cybersecurity in terms of troubleshooting, device protection, and an understanding of network functions. And you're going to have roles like data analyst, penetration tester, and those who are in charge of the security of the network. A few resources to help you stay relevant as these roles evolve are Krebs on Security. This is a cybersecurity blog and news service. Dark Reading. This includes news, information, and highlights related to cybersecurity. And the SANS, S-A-N-S, Internet Storm Center. This is a cooperative cyber alert and monitoring center. Now we all get excited and get started with something, and then the pitfalls start to happen, whether it's time or commitment. So let me give you some advice in this area. Don't rush your learning process. Start on the ground floor and build up. All of the certifications are designed to help you get a ground floor level of knowledge and then build on top of it. Research those certifications and look at how they're scaffolded so that you have a ground base of knowledge that then adds layers upon layers so that you can learn in a sequential way. Pursue certifications gradually so you don't get overwhelmed and focus on one main one at a time. Check out the IT certifications roadmap from CompTIA to help you understand what each certification does and how it can be impactful to your career. Also check out the Cybersecurity Certification Progress Flowchart from Paul Jeremy or the GIAC certifications. These are specialized information security certifications. And with all this learning, be sure to verify your sources so that the learning you're doing is authentic and can be applied in real-world scenarios. Some ways to do that is utilizing tools like Cybersecurity Insiders, which provides industry reports, Gartner Cybersecurity Research, which will provide trends of cybersecurity topics and issues around the globe, and Cybersecurity Ventures. This is going to give you some cybersecurity statistics and data in the field. So all of this learning will also introduce you to a wide variety of learning platforms. These are platforms that are going to offer courses, provide opportunities to learn online at your own pace. Now, Digital Futures Education does provide this, so make sure you check out digitalfutureseducation.com. And we also provide coaching and support. So if you want more than just an online course, you can connect with us. But also, there are courses from Coursera, X, and Udemy to help support you in your cybersecurity knowledge journey. Additionally, as you learn, keep an eye out for study guides related to certifications that you're interested in taking. CompTIA has their own official study guide, which is available. There's the Cyberseek study guide and the CEH Certified Ethical Hacker Guide. These are designed to give you an overview and help you prepare for exams, but they can also be utilized to help you better understand what those exams and certifications are focused on. And finally, for your own self-learning and development, there are a wide variety of online learning platforms that can continue to help you learn more about cybersecurity and connect with others who also are interested in learning. Reddit has a cybersecurity community which discusses topics broadly. You can take a look at meetup.com, which will have a wide range of community meetup groups and other ways of personally networking with others interested in the field. A great way to find others who may be willing to share their knowledge and to collaborate with you. And don't forget the benefit of LinkedIn groups. These are tremendously helpful. Not only can you connect with other professionals in the cybersecurity field, you can can become connected with them, ask them questions, look at their background and experience, and find mentors or potential other supports to help you take the next step and make you aware of positions, certifications, or networking opportunities. And you can also share your own growth there. And also you can ask any questions you have within those groups. So if you have a question about a certification, an idea you have related to a project, a question about what you might want to study, what you might not want to study, what types of roles are available, those groups can be tremendously beneficial. Transitioning into cybersecurity can be a tremendously valuable experience. You're going to be able to utilize a lot of your background knowledge in IT. You want to identify certification opportunities. You have a tremendous new wide open world of IT learning available to you, and you're in a field that's changing tremendously quickly and creating a lot of new opportunities. I'm here to help you on the path, so feel free to connect with me if you need that type of support. But I wanted to give you this path and guidelines to help you reach that next step. If you have questions that you think I can answer, please email me or connect directly with the website.